In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook Watch video history in one click. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook app and there hit on menu. Next, hit on Settings and Privacy and there select Settings. Now the easiest way is to hit on this search icon and in search box enter ACT to find the activity log. Hit on that. And now there scroll down to the very bottom and hit View Activity History. Now there hit on Filters, Categories, and there hit on Logged Actions and Other Activity and select videos you have watched. And now there you can hit on Clear Video Watch History, confirm that action to delete all the videos in one click. This process can take some time, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.